unless I call on you. Otherwise, we get all kinds of
Oh, that you say what?
Here.
noise and disturbance. Today is Friday, November the 12th. Happy birthday to Lily Tejeda. She's
You're on mute.
99 years old today.
He's
Case number 558261, State versus Lisa Flanagan, attorney Cornelius Cox.
You'll be fine by the day, but
Lisa Flanagan, set for jury trial. Absent.
yeah, but
Cornelius Cox, no appearance. So noted. 561906, State versus Sandra Benavides, AKA Sandra Anna Bragdon. Oscar Hernandez is attorney.
Present, Your Honor. Present, Your Honor. Good morning.
Wave your hands or something. I don't see you. There you are.
I'm waving.
Yes, ma'am. Your
Good
attorney,
morning.
Oscar Hernandez. Hello, Oscar. Oscar Hernandez, no appearance. Case number 562343, State versus Jeffrey Contreras. Robert
Here,
Moore second.
Here, Your Honor.
Jeffrey Contreras, good morning.
Good morning.
Mr. Moore, I'm sure will be here, or he's already sent me a notice. 570330, State versus John Reese.
Council
Attorney
President, Your Honor.
Rolando Garcia.
Council President, Your Honor. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Rolando Garcia.
I'm here too.
Is your client here, John Reese?
Yes, he is,
Yes,
Your
sir.
Honor.
Present.
Very good. What is your intention for this morning, Mr. Garcia?
I'd like to proceed to trial, Your Honor.
All right, we'll set it for trial then. Patricia, set it for trial. When's the trial docket? It's on a Friday.
January 14, 2022.
January 14, 22, Roland.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right,
January 14th, at what time, Judge?
I don't know if he's gonna sit in with Contreras.
Hello, folks. Anybody else that I'm not talking to, please mute yourself. I don't want to be interrupted while I'm talking to an attorney or a defendant. Thank you.
On John Reese, January 14th, 22, at what time, Judge?
9 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor. Are we excused?
You are both excused. Thank you for
Thank you, Your
being
Honor.
here. Okay, now we have three cases. Case number 573-747, 748, and 749. State versus Robert Murgo, attorney, Sean Brown.
Morning, Judge. Brian Moore
Morning,
from Mr. Brown's office. Mr. Murgo is present, Judge.
Good morning, Brian. How are you?
Doing well, sir. It's Friday. How about yourself?
Oh, Fridays are always good Fridays, huh?
Yes, sir.
I just realized you have an H in your name, Oriole.
Yes, sir. Silent H.
It was the first time I noticed it. After how many years, huh? All right. What are your intentions for this morning?
Judge, I know we're on the trial docket.
Right.
Ms. Pollard had reached out to me on the case. She reached back out to me yesterday, so I can confer with her. I was going to ask while I'm conferring if I could, Mr. Murgo's here, if I could excuse him for the moment while I confer and wait for the docket to finish.
Yes,
To
sir.
figure out what's going to happen with this.
Mr. Murgo, you are excused for right now. Stay close to your attorney.
And Judge, I have one. Oh, sorry, Judge.
I've got you listed number one to confer. What's the other one you got?
Judge, on page number 10, the very end of the docket, Mr. Blanks. It's a first setting. We're just awaiting the discovery to be finished sending over to us on the case. We just asked for a pretrial setting on that.
All right, you got two cases on him, right?
Yes.
Okay. 665-851 and 665-852. State versus John Blanks. Mr. Blanks, where are you? John Blanks.
Present, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Blanks.
Good morning.
Okay, Brian, I'm putting you to confer on both of these
Okay,
gentlemen.
could I excuse Mr. Blanks, Judge?
Yes.
Since we're just getting
Blanks,
discovery on it.
576-724, State versus Albert Bernal. Attorney, Joe Guillermin.
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you?
Good morning. Who's,
I wanted to see if, is Mr. Bernal by chance in the courtroom, Your Honor?
No, he's
Sedman?
not. No, he's not, Judge.
Not
Yeah,
a
Your
quick
Honor,
one,
he's on a cash bond, Your Honor. I did contact the person who bonded him out to inform them of Mr. Bernal's court date, but I have not heard back from him.
All right, Mr. Guillermin, at this point, he is marked absent, and you have 1 week to produce him.
Understood, Your Honor. Thank you. May I be excused?
Is this the only case you got?
It is, Your Honor.
Then you're excused. If he comes in or something, we'll call you back.
Thank you, Your Honor.
6-0-0-0-9-9, State versus Juan Rodriguez, set for trial. David Christian.
Presente, señor. Buenos días.
Buenos días, señor Rodriguez.
Yes, sir,
Buen día.
Judge, I'm here. We'd like to be on your trial, get a trial on this one.
Okay, you're number 3 on the setting. There's a very good chance you'll go.
Yes, sir.
State, are you ready?
State's ready, Your Honor.
State's ready. And defense are ready, huh?
Yes, Judge, and is that today? Are we doing it today, or when are we doing it?
No, we're not going to trial today. We will go. Patricia, when's our trial date next week?
Thursday, the 18th at 9 a.m.
Okay, Thursday, the 18th, 9 a.m. Got it?
Oh, okay, and Judge, which prosecutor announced ready? Whose case is it?
Judge, it's Ashley Haas. I'm the only one here this morning. Catherine is out of town for a wedding.
Okay, Catherine and I spoke briefly about it last week. So, Ashley, will it be yours next week, or is it hers, or does it matter?
It's likely to be mine, but it may not matter.
Okay. All right, then we'll be there next Thursday, Judge.
Set for trial.
Thank you, sir.
601-082. Mr. Christian. David?
Yes, sir.
You were preceded by Cornelius Cox on the case. He has not answered. And Sean Brown has a gentleman with 3 cases who's number 2. You're number 3. So it may be, we'll be in touch with you to make sure who's going to go.
Okay, sounds good. And Judge, would you mind telling my client that he can be excused if that's okay with you?
That's all right. Mr. Rodríguez, al momento usted está libre. Si hay juicio, va a ser la semana que viene. ¿Entendido?
Ok, muchas gracias, señor. Buen
De
día.
nada. Está libre. Está,
Okay.
Hello, Judge. Have you called for Teresa Ruiz?
I'm sorry?
Did you call for Teresa Ruiz, R-U-I-Z?
No, ma'am, not yet.
Okay, sorry.
601-082, State versus Jody Faulkner. Attorney Joseph Acevedo.
Okay, Mr. Acevedo stepped out for a little bit. He'll be right back. This is his assistant, Susie Rivera.
I'm sorry, what?
I said, my name is Susie Rivera, and Mr. Acevedo stepped out of the office for a little bit. He'll be right back. He just told me to tell you.
What about his client, Jody Faulkner?
I'm talking to him, and he's trying to connect, but he's unable to.
Okay, tell him to keep trying.
Okay,
Thank you.
you're welcome, sir.
605-258, State versus Eric Maldonado.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning, Your Honor. He's present. Counsel's present. Your Honor, we are still requesting a trial. I should have checked. I am available on the 18th, but then I will be out from the 19th through the week of Thanksgiving. I don't know.
Well, we'll see. The way this stacks up right now, we're not sure who's going to do what.
Okay.
we will keep you informed. Be aware that for next week, you are on call.
Okay, and I have one more on that same page, Your Honor. Ms. Blackburn,
Give me a case number.
it is,
I see it. Laura Blackburn?
yes, Your Honor. Same announcement for that one. She's present.
Present.
Yes, Your Honor.
The phone number isn't working, so I'm going to email the clerks to see how many days in jail there are. I'll let you know once I hear back.
Is there any way?
And where is she? Was that she chattering?
No, Your Honor, I'm sorry. I'm covering
Somebody was.
multiple hearings. I saw her earlier. She was on at 8:30. I know that. Looking for her. I see her.
I'm present.
She's in a blue
present.
shirt, Your Honor.
You know
You
what?
see her? See, she's waving her hand. Okay.
Okay, there it is. Thank you, ma'am. All right, you're excused now, Ms. Blackburn, and Mr. De La Paz, you're number 5 and number 8 for trial. So we'll see how that works out.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Am I excused, Your Honor?
Yo,
Eric Maldonado, am I excused?
I'm sorry?
Am I excused, Eric Maldonado?
Yes, sir.
You have a good day, sir.
You too.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Have a good weekend. Stay safe.
Thank you as well.
607-396, State versus Carlos Walter Sellers. And this is Stephen Strouch. Stephen Strouch, attorney. No appearance.
Judge, my understanding is that we have filed a dismissal and that has been signed by you in Sellers' case.
All right, very good. Then we don't have to worry about that one, huh?
Additionally, you didn't ask for the state's announcements on Brent De La Paz's cases.
I'm sorry, which one was that?
Eric Maldonado, very top of page 2.
Okay, I'm Mr. Maldonado. Are y'all ready?
Yes, Your Honor.
Go.
And on Laura Blackburn, about halfway down the same page, state's also ready.
All right, marked ready, both of you. Very good. 609-846, State versus Joe Revias, attorney, Isidro Montoya Jr.
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you, sir?
All right, you're number 2 to confer.
Hello.
Where's your client? Joe Revias.
Judge, Mr. Riveras is not, Joe Revias I have not been able to contact him, Judge. The phone numbers I have are not working, and he lived at Haven for Hope. And I think it was reset the last time for me to contact him, and I was unable to do so.
It's going to be declared as a failure to appear then. There'll be a warrant will issue.
Thank you, Judge. And I have another case, Judge.
Did you still want to confer?
Not on Rivales, Judge, but I need to confer on Charles Benavides, 637-712.
637. 637.
712.
Charles Benavides, Charlie Benavides. It says. Is he present? Charlie Benavides?
Yes,
I am, sir. Hi, Oscar Hernandez. How?
All right, you're going to confer on that one too, Mr. Montoya?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, Judge.
All right. Then you are authorized to confer with both, on both of them.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. 609-904, State versus Bernardo Ortiz, attorney, John Winter. Bernardo Ortiz. Absent.
Judge, that got reset in person, agreed reset for a plea in person on the 17th of November.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
610-286, State versus Terrence Watson, attorney, Robert Marr II.
I'm here.
Good morning, Mr. Watson. You're also set for trial. We don't know what the score is at this point. Mr. Marr is not available momentarily. I'm sure he'll be getting in touch with us.
Okay.
All right, we'll continue the docket. Two cases, 613-761 and 762, State versus Jimmy Tron. Attorney Robert Gebbia.
Your Honor, that case got reset. Attorney Robert Gebbia is on vacation. It got reset for felonies pending February 16th, 2022.
All right. Thank you, Ms. Garcia.
You're welcome.
Case number 614-184, State versus David Gonzalez, attorney Jay Norton.
Judge Patrick Valentine, I'm here for Mr. Norton, and Mr. Gonzalez is present. We are ready, but I'd like an opportunity to confer with my client about an offer that was renewed.
Mr. Gonzalez. Where's he at? Mr. Valentine, where's Mr. Gonzalez?
David, can you speak up?
Oh, shit. Sorry about that. I had it on mute. Can you hear me now?
All right. Your attorney's gonna want to confer with you.
Okay.
Are you gonna confer with the state? Are you ready on this case, Mr. Valentine, or is
Yes.
Mr. Norton?
Yes, Judge.
State, are you ready?
State's ready, Your Honor.
All right. Then you'll remain on the trial docket. We'll see who goes first. 614-384, State versus Deborah McGee, attorney
Judge.
Ivan Barrera.
Judge, excuse me.
Pardon me?
Judge,
Yes.
did you want me to put Mr. Valentine to confer with Mr. Gonzalez?
I believe that's what he wanted. Yes, ma'am, please.
Okay,
Thank you, Patty.
you're welcome. And Your Honor, on Ivan, I'm sorry.
On Ivan Barrera, Deborah
Yes, Judge.
McGee.
I'm present. Miss McGee, I'm not sure if she's on.
Ms. McGee, Deborah McGee. Mark absent at this time.
I'll get in contact with her, Judge, make sure she jumps on.
615534, State versus Rudy Moreno, attorney Marshall White.
Good morning, Judge. I am here. I'm not sure if Mr. Marino's on the call or not.
Rudy Moreno. Marked absent. What do you want to do meantime, Marshall?
Judge, I need to go to another court. If I could jump back in, maybe a little later this morning.
Let us know. That's
Okay.
fine. Let us know.
Thank you.
You're excused.
Thank you.
You're welcome. 616660 and 6661. State versus Anthony Garza, attorney Catherine Valenzuela.
I have Mr. Garza in the courtroom.
Very good.
Um,
Valenzuela, good morning to you.
good morning, Your Honor.
What you doing this morning?
Well, I need to confer, we're on the trial docket, but I need to confer with Ashley regarding some discovery issues.
All righty. I'll list you as number
This is
3 to
Bob Hicks,
confer.
Mr. Lopez.
Hello.
With Robert Goodman.
Okay, Your Honor, we'll await conferring. Thank you.
All right. On this case, State, are you announcing ready or not ready?
Ready at the moment, Your Honor.
Okay. And Ms. Valenzuela, what are you announcing at the moment?
I guess at the moment I'm ready, the state's ready at the moment, but we will confer, Your Honor.
All right. Number 11 on the trial docket, 620017, State versus Tanner Castañeda, attorney Shannon Locke.
Your Honor, good morning. This is Javier Garcia. I'm here for Mr. Shannon Locke and Castañeda. He's present on Zoom.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. State, are you ready?
State's ready, Your Honor.
Defense?
Your Honor, we're ready too, but we'd like to keep it on the trial docket, but if I can have a minute to confer to.
With the state or with your client?
I'm sorry, with the state, Ms. Haas.
All right, then I'm marking you confer. 6.
Your Honor, Mr.
Yeah.
Castaneda has 2 cases on the docket.
I'm sorry?
Mr. Castaneda has 2 cases on the docket.
All right, 6, 5, 9, 3, 6, 7, looks like. Where's that one at? What's the status of that one? Is that one for trial too?
Your Honor, it does show that it's set for trial. We're ready on that too, but I can also confer.
State's ready as well.
6, 5, 9, 3. Okay. All right, so that one's ready also, ready. And conferring. Okay, very good. 622-997, State versus Tanya Ramirez, attorney Robert Wilson.
Client's present with attorney. I'd like to confer with the state.
All right, sir, you're number 5 for conferring. Thank you.
Here, Your Honor.
623-015, State versus Norma Vasquez, attorney Richard Garcia Jr.
Judge Present, I'm here, but I have not had any contact with Ms. Vasquez. About a week ago, she called me and left a message saying that we had court last week. So I called her back and said, no, court was today. No answer, no response, no, the text messages, emails, nothing.
Well, we list her as a fugitive with a warrant, and now she'll have at least our warrant for failure to appear. If you're able to produce her within a week, we will not issue a warrant on this specific case.
Okay.
You got anything else, Richard?
No, Your Honor, that was it. And she does have a felony pending as well, Judge.
All right. So if you hear from her, let us know. In the meantime, if she happens to appear, we'll let you know.
Appreciate it. Thank you, Judge. Have a good week.
Take care. 624-634, State versus Teresa Ruiz, and that is Angela Blake as attorney.
Judge, I got a
Ruiz.
message.
Yes,
I got a
I'm here.
message. That
Hello.
is, Judge, I got a message from Angela Blake. She's running late.
Okay.
I'm here, Your Honor. Teresa Ruiz. I'm here, sir.
All right, man. State, are you ready on this one?
State's ready, Your Honor.
All right. We'll wait for Ms. Blake. 625-953, State versus Philip Griggs, attorney. Alan Messenger.
Present, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Griggs.
Morning.
State, are you ready on this?
State's ready, Your Honor.
We're ready, Your Honor.
Alan Messenger?
Yes, Your Honor, we're ready.
You are. Very good. All right. You're going to stay on the trial docket till this shakes out this morning.
Okay.
626-338, State versus Ivan Pacheco, attorney, Angela Blake. Patty, you said she's running late.
Yes, sir.
Ivan Pacheco. Well, this one says drop, Patty.
Yeah, I'll look into it, Judge.
Okay. Thank you. 627-004, State versus Manuel Escobedo, attorney, Ivan Barrera.
I'm here, Judge. Mr. Escobedo, I believe I see him. Can you? Manuel.
Good morning, Mr. Escobedo. What are you doing on this one?
Judge, I'd like to confirm.
All right.
And I got two other ones, Judge.
Well, tell me who there are. Give me the numbers.
Yes, Judge. Page 6, cause number 643036.
Here we go, 643-036. You're gonna, and that's Richard Knight.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning, sir. Mr. Barrero,
I'd like to confer on this one as well, Judge.
I am noting you to confer on that one. Where's the other one?
And then the last one, it's on page number 8, 659323.
659-323. Ivan Barrera. The defendant is Miguel Línea Martínez. Miguel Línea Martínez.
Hola, presente. Buenos días.
Presente. Buenos días.
And on this one, Judge, I'd also like to confer. And meantime, Judge, while I'm conferring, may my clients, the 3 that are present, may they be excused.
Yes, sir. Mr. Señor Martínez, usted está libre. Su abogado va a estar haciendo unos conferencia con el fiscal. Y si usted mantenga comunicación con él.
Gracias.
Mr. Knight, your attorney is going to be doing some conferring with the state. You are excused.
Yes, Judge. Thank you. Again.
You're welcome. And Mr. Escobedo, your attorney is doing some conferring. You're excused.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Judge. Have a good afternoon.
All right, number 14 on the trial docket, Jack LaRue, attorney, Sean Hendrickson.
Yes, sir. I'm present, Your Honor.
You're LaRue?
Yes, sir. I'm trying to turn on the camera.
Okay, where's your attorney?
He's
Sean
running
Hendrickson.
He said he had another
court?
Yes, and that he would be right back to this one.
All right, well, we'll wait for him to return. Stick around.
Yes, sir.
627-641 and 669, State versus Vernon Walker, attorney, Patrick Montgomery. Vernon Walker, marked absent. Patrick Montgomery, no appearance. 627-7797, State versus Jose de Jesus Vasquez Torres, and the attorney is Jackson Lindsay.
Jackson Lindsay, present for Mr. Jesus Vasquez. Judge, he was deported to Mexico back in March of last year, and to my knowledge, he's not returned to this country.
Well, at least technically he's a failure to appear. We'll we'll need to discuss this later, see what we're going to do.
Yes, Your Honor.
628-005, State, Mr. Lindsay, you might just check back with us later.
Okay, Judge, I will. Thank you.
628-005, State versus Ronald Flowers, attorney, Carolyn Wendland.
Good morning, Judge. How are you?
I am well. How about you?
I'm doing well. Thank you. On this case, Judge, we have some discovery issues, and I'm not sure that these prosecutors are aware of them. So I was going to send Ms. Haas an email. We don't have any videos, and there should be videos. And I will be happy to confer, but the 186th is messaging me as well.
Okay, well, to see if you can go to the 186 and come back before 10:30.
Okay, perfect, Judge. Can I also excuse my client?
Is he here?
He is, Judge.
Yes. All right, very good. Yes, Mr. Flowers, you're excused.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. And I will also, Ashley, what is your email?
It's first name dot last name @bear.org.
Okay, I'm going to email you right now just so you know before I confer with you. That way you can take a look at it.
Okay, thanks, Carolyn.
Okay, perfect. Thanks. I'll see you shortly.
628-270, State versus Vina Masha Harvey, something like
morning.
that.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Tres Campion.
Present, Your Honor.
Yeah, she's present under Alan Brown right there, Your Honor, on the screen, and I'm present for her. I'd like to confer with the state on this.
All right. And ma'am, how do you pronounce your last name?
Maheshwari.
Maheshwari. Okay, I'll try and remember that. Thank you. Your attorney's gonna confer. 631-418, State versus Don Reeves. Attorney Raymond De Leon II. Don Reeves. Marked absent. Attorney Raymond De Leon. No appearance, so noted. 632-067, State versus Gloria Lopez. Attorney Rene Munoz.
Yes, Judge, I'm here. My client is not present. I have had no contact with her. I tried all reasonable means of contacting her, contacting the pretrial office and looking at the offense report. Haven't been able to make any contact whatsoever, Judge.
I'll mark the failure to appear. If she doesn't appear within a week, we'll be issuing a warrant.
Yes,
Meantime,
Judge.
you got any other case?
Yes, Judge. I have 4 other cases. This past Wednesday, we had Alante Strait. She's not on the docket today, but you allowed her to appear today. I would need to confer on her case. Alante, can you speak for the judge, please, that you're here?
I'm present.
Thank you, Alante.
Yes.
Yes,
It shows Kayla Bartalos.
I have, and on that case, Judge Alante Strait, it's not on today's docket. Her cause numbers for purposes of the record are 668-423 and 668-424. So if a warrant could hold off since she did appear, Judge, and then I would just need to confer with the state.
What is her name again?
Alante, Alante, and then her last name Strait, Strait.
All right, Renee, and did you have any other case?
Yes, Judge. I had Quincy Carniga on page number 5, 639067.
Okay, there's 2 cases, 9067 and 9068.
Yes, Judge, that's correct. I've had no contact with this client as well. I've tried all reasonable means to get into contact. Unfortunately, just have not had any contact.
All right, there'll be a failure to appear.
Yes, Judge. And then I also have Misty Mangold, page number 5, 632924.
632924, Misty Mangold.
Yes, Your Honor. With regards to
Misty
her,
Mangold?
I've had no contacts, made all reasonable means to contact, including contacting pretrial office for numbers, and I've had no contact with her, unfortunately, Judge.
All right, well, that'll be a failure to appear also.
And then the final case I have for y'all today is Ciara Miguel, page 5, 633442.
Type what you want to count.
Ciara Miguel?
Yes, sir.
Hello, is she here?
No, Judge. I know it's set for trial, and I usually have good contacts. I think something may have come up because I did send the Zoom link and spoke yesterday with her, but I wanted to see if hopefully she can present herself to the court on Monday. I do have another setting with y'all on Monday.
All right, well, she's number 15 for trial. You might have to stay on call for trial.
Yes, Judge. Can I confer with the state on the Alante Strait, and may she be excused, Judge? She took a break from work to show up on Zoom today, so I think she has to get back to it. If she could.
All right.
Thank you.
We'll mark her as, we'll mark you as conferring.
Thank you, Judge.
632-175, State versus Miguel Lopez, attorney Bob Hicks.
Good morning, Your Honor. This is another one of the clients that I seem to have inherited from Mr. Dittman. I talked to Robert this morning and he was having no luck contacting him. He'd called him and left him several messages, and I called him this morning at 9:15 and it left him, and it just rings and says,
Is Mr. Miguel Lopez here?
I would be shocked.
He's marked absent. Mr. Hicks, what are you going to do this morning? In reference to Mr. Lopez.
I've never had any contact with Mr. Lopez, so there's
All
not
right.
much I can.
Then we're going to make him a failure to appear and we'll proceed from there. Any other case, Mr. Hicks?
No, Your Honor, this concludes my business with the court this morning.
All righty. Have a good weekend.
Yes, sir.
632-616, State versus Bonnie Sanchez. Attorney Brenda Levenstein. Bonnie Sanchez, absent.
Judge, that case got reset for felony pending.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Case number 634-742, State versus Noah Taylor. Attorney Jonathan Ross.
Yes, Your Honor. Sorry, I thought that there was a couple more ahead of me. I was getting more coffee. Mr. Taylor, has submitted the pretrial diversion application, Your Honor. We were accepted into that. Got contacted by the state I believe last week. So we no longer need to be on the trial docket, Your Honor.
Very good. And you are removed from trial docket.
Yes, sir.
But do we just wait till they finish PTD or we give them a setting?
We'll give him a setting, Judge, January 18th, 2022.
January 18th.
2022. All right. Anything else today, Mr. Ross?
Yes, Your Honor. I do have a Mr. John Diaz. That's on page 8. Is Mr. Diaz present in the court by any chance?
John Diaz, 659-198. John Diaz, marked absent.
All right, Your Honor. Yeah, I have not had contact with him yet. So if I do hear from him, I'll let the court know. Thank you very much.
All right. Any other case, Mr. Ross?
No, sir.
Thank you. Then you're excused.
All right. Happy Friday, Your Honor.
You too. 635-472, State versus Joel Garcia. James Tochi. Joel Garcia.
I'm present.
Good morning, Mr. Garcia. James Tochi, attorney.
I've heard that he's in other courts right now.
We'll wait for him to show up.
Yes, sir.
Page 6, 640031, State versus Enoch Teferra, attorney Dave Sanchez.
Good morning, Judge. I received recently a notice of additional discovery. I'm assuming that's the blood discovery. I'll be picking that up today, so I just need some time to review that. So.
How about Mr. Teferra? Where is he?
Good
morning, Your Honor. I'm right here.
Good morning to you. All right, Mr. Sanchez, we'll give you 30 days.
Okay, Judge, I need to go to the 186 also. Should I wait for a date or will they send that to me?
We'll give it to you right now. Patricia?
Judge, can we do more than 30 days? It'll be
Certainly.
January 18th.
Okay.
18 January.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. You're excused too, Mr. Teferra.
Thank you, Your Honor.
548, you're welcome. Roger Blanco, no attorney. Roger Blanco, absent. 640832, State versus Zachariah Barber, no attorney.
He's here in the courtroom, Judge.
Courtroom,
Yes, sir.
Mr. Barber, do you have an attorney?
Miss Barber, no, sir.
Pardon me?
No, sir.
It's a lady, Judge.
I'm sorry, Ms. Barber. Are you going to be able to hire one?
No, sir.
All right, Ms. Castillo?
Yes, sir.
Deputy, if you will help her make application, please. And let us know when it is complete.
Okay, Judge.
Thank you. 642-645, State versus April Ansualda, no attorney. April Ansualda, absent. 644-631, State versus Jose Gutierrez, attorney. Adrian Perez.
Good morning, Your Honor. That's my client. He failed to appear at his last court setting, August 24th. I'm not really sure how it got set today, but I've not been able to reach him.
Jose Gutierrez, failure to appear, warrant will issue.
May I be excused, Your Honor?
If that's the only case you got in here, yes, sir.
Thank you.
644-641, State versus Kayla Bartalos, attorney. Freddie Ruiz.
Judge, it's Joseph Acevedo. I'm present for Freddie. And thank you for accommodating me earlier of not being present. If we may remain on the trial docket and on the previous case you called earlier, Jody Faulkner, same request. Also, Judge, I'm in my office is in communication with Jody Faulkner. He is out in an area that's remote and having difficulty. The Zoom is not connecting, but I am in communication with them and would request for good cause as an officer of the court that you accept that I am in communication with them, and if we may get a date on both of those matters.
All right. State on Bartalos, are you ready?
State's ready.
Mr. Acevedo, are you ready? Or is Freddie ready on this one?
Yes, Your Honor. Subject to availability, yes, he is, Your Honor.
All right. Now, this one we're setting, it remains on trial. Where's the other one? The other case number?
Jody Faulkner is 601082. 601082.
I got it. Yes. So State on Faulkner, are you ready? 601082, first page.
Yes, Your Honor, state's ready.
Mr. Acevedo.
Subject to availability, yes, Your Honor.
Now, what does that mean?
I just have several dates that I'm unavailable, but other than those
Can you tell me if I'm still listed as attorney for
All right. 6. All right, we'll continue on trial docket. We'll see how it shakes out.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Your Honor.
645, yes, sir. 645031, State versus Fernando Gonzalez. Ramon Cervantes III is attorney. Fernando Gonzalez.
Yes, Judge Ramon Cervantes.
Good morning, Mr. Cervantes.
How are you?
Is your client here? Yes, I am well. How are you?
Fine, thank you very much. I'm not sure, Judge. I was kind of caught off guard a little bit. With this is the first time I got the notice of appearance, but I'm here. What is his name again?
Fernando Gonzalez. With 2 Z's.
If I may be able to get, who can I get the information with respect to his telephone number or email? I can try to contact him before the docket is over and see if I can't get him on Zoom.
Patricia, who can we suggest?
I'll look to see what kind of bond he's out on, Judge.
Okay, probably the bonds person, whichever, it's PR or whoever.
All right. Wherever that is, I'll call him.
We'll see how this shakes out. Stick around.
Okay. All right, thank
645-943, State versus Daniel de los Santos, attorney Brian O'Donnell.
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Brian.
Unless my client is in court, I have not had contact with him, and I confirmed with pretrial services this morning. We have been calling all of the correct numbers. They're not in service. I have no contact, Judge. I would still ask if I could talk to the state in a breakout room.
All right, sir. We'll put you down to confer.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Meantime, we'll list Mr. De Los Santos as absent.
Very well, Your Honor. Thank you.
646-203, State versus Fortunato Segovia, and attorney is Elizabeth Settle.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning.
Judge, I believe Mr. Segovia is in jail. It's my understanding that he pled to a felony this past Tuesday, has not been sentenced yet, won't be sentenced until January. I'm not the attorney on that felony. I've been trying to reach the attorney to see if our misdemeanor was part of that plea deal. I don't know at this point. So I would just ask for a reset till January to be sure whether or not this was going to be taken into consideration.
Okay. Patricia, what kind of date we looking at? The 18th?
January 18th.
Sounds familiar. January 18th, 22.
Thanks, Judge. And I have two more.
Give me the other numbers.
Okay, the first one is 656596.
656.
596.
596. All right. Yes, ma'am. That is Shelly Gonzalez.
Yes, Judge, I've never gotten a response from her. I have called the number that was given to me by the bondsman, which was, I believe, her sister. Never got a call back from her. Left her messages and voicemails and texts. So if she's not on there somehow today, I don't have any information about her.
Well, we're going to have to issue a warrant. We'll make it a failure to appear. The other case, you have another one?
Yeah, could we just check Shelly Gonzalez? If you're on there, please speak up. Okay, thanks. The last one, Judge, is 664534.
664534.
Right, that's Quinn
Quinn
Brown.
Brown.
He's present on the Zoom, and I do need to confer on that one.
All right. You are marked to confirm, ma'am.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Can I just sign this refund, please?
Not to worry. Takes a few seconds. All right, continuing on the docket, 647369, State versus Charlie Acosta, attorney Alberto Rodriguez. Charlie Acosta is a fugitive, has a warrant. Apparently, he's going to be consistent. There'll be a failure to appear out of this court. Alberto Rodriguez, attorney. No appearance, so noted. 647439, State versus Joshua Taylor, attorney John Carroll.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm here on that, and Mr. Taylor is present.
Good morning to you both. What can we do today?
Judge, on this one, there's a second case on the docket, 658056.
Right.
And I unfortunately kind of conflated the two and didn't get the discovery on the second case. And also on the discovery on the other case, there's a video that I, for some reason, couldn't play, and I usually am able to get all that. So, and I've put in the order, I've reordered the discovery. And so I was going to ask if I could reset this so that I can get everything reviewed and I can meaningfully confer with the state.
Let's give you, Patricia, how many days?
About January 19th, Judge.
There you are.
Thank you,
Mr.
Your Honor.
Carroll, your reset till January 19th.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
All right.
647-605, State versus Jorge Melchor. Attorney Charles Peters.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning.
On Mr. Perez, this is a client that I've never had personal contact with. The only thing I've heard on this case is that he may have been having some sort of medical issues and was trying to go back to Mexico to get treatment. I don't have any confirmation of that. I've never been able to speak to this client, and I don't believe he's actually appeared either. So.
All right. Then Mr. Melchor is a failure to appear. A warrant will issue.
I believe that's the only case I have on the docket today, Judge. May I be excused?
Yes, sir, you're excused.
And happy Friday.
647-800. State versus Eric Salazar. Attorney Michael White.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm here. I don't know whether Mr. Salazar is here or not. I have no contact with him by phone anymore.
Eric Salazar is marked absent. Any other case, Mr. White?
Well, he has a second case, but that's all what I have.
All right. Thank you, sir. You're excused. 651-570. State versus David Garza. Attorney Manuel Escobar Jr.
Judge, I'm present, and my client's present also, Judge.
All right. What do you want to do today?
Judge, I needed to, my co-counsel's Bobby Vargas on this case. He was going to file a motion, Judge, relative to the blood test. Frankly, I don't know whether he did that or not. I was wondering if we could reset it just to verify that, and if it hasn't been filed, to file it so we could proceed on that.
Patricia, how many days?
We'll set it for the 15th of December.
I'll get with Mr. Vargas, Judge, and get with the court.
All right. Then you have the 15th of December as your new date.
Yes, sir. Would that be at 9 o'clock, Judge?
Will that be what?
Would that be at 9 o'clock?
I call every case at 9 a.m. unless it's specifically set otherwise.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're
Be
welcome.
excused.
You are. 653-202, State versus Brandy Martinez. Attorney Richard Langlois, El Primo. Richard Langlois.
Good morning, Primo. How are you?
I am well. How are you?
Miss Martinez is here, Judge. And back in August 17th, we had a trial before you, a non-jury trial. And I think when Caitlin Morgan was the district attorney, and basically they didn't put on any evidence, you had entered a judgment of acquittal. They were willing to dismiss it, but we asked for an acquittal because this would, even though she got a dismissal, it could still impact with how she could work because it's an assault type case. And the complainant in this case was a very, bad person, so to speak. He had some serious criminal history, had been abusive to her. And so we got an acquittal. We just don't have a copy of that acquittal yet. So we need to investigate to get that.
All right. We'll make a note of it this morning. And Patricia and I will get with the clerks to see what we've got.
Yes, and I believe it was, obviously it was Zoom record, but I'm pretty sure the court reporter took a record down. She probably hadn't transcribed it though.
All righty. Very good. We'll try to get up to speed on it and let you know.
Okay, may we be excused, Your Honor?
Yes, sir. Take care.
Thank you. Take care of yourself, Judge.
653-627, State versus Kyle Ricklin, Attorney Terry Levine.
He is present, Your Honor. We have reached an agreement with the state for a plea agreement. We would like to enter that before the court sometime after Thanksgiving week, if possible.
Patricia?
It'll be Friday, December 3rd.
December 3rd. That'll work for us, Your Honor. That's all we have on the docket, if we may be excused.
Judge,
Excuse, ma'am.
if I can remind Mr. Levine, if he could please email me his client's email address and his, so I can send them out the court's paperwork.
Sure. I've sent you mine. I didn't realize I should send his also. I'll get that to you today.
Thank you, sir.
You're excused, sir. Take care. Have a good weekend. Stay safe.
Thank you, Your Honor. You too.
655-707, Juan Ramon, attorney, David Garcia.
Judge, I
Juan
got a
Ramon.
message.
Hello, Juan.
Judge, I got a message from David Garcia, attorney. He's in other courts and he'll be logging on momentarily or when he gets done with those felony cases.
All right, Juan Martin Ramon.
I'm here, Your Honor.
All right, stick around. Your attorney is in other courts, but he'll be here. 655-949, State versus Thomas Arispe, attorney, Floyd Rivera. Tomas Arispe, absent. Floyd Rivera, no appearance. 656-511, State versus Taylor Rodriguez. Attorney
Hello.
David Vogt, set for trial.
Hello.
Mr. Rodriguez, good morning.
No, this is Thomas Arispe.
All right, very good. I marked you present. Your attorney is not here at the moment. You might try and reach him.
Yes, he's in 186.
Taylor Rodriguez.
Judge, on that case,
Uh-huh.
on Taylor Rodriguez, attorney David Volk's on vacation. Reset jury trial call docket January 14, 2022.
All right, Taylor Rodriguez, are you with us? Probably David informed him. All right. 657-141, State versus Angel Martinez, attorney Tony Jimenez III. Angel Martinez, marked absent. Tony Jimenez III, no appearance.
Your Honor, I'm here. Angel Martinez. I'm here, present.
Good morning, Mr. Martinez.
Good morning, sir. Sorry, I had you on mute.
Are you in touch with your attorney?
With Tony Jimenez, yes, I contacted him this morning. He was supposed to be present. I'm not sure if he might got busy. I could try to contact him and let him know if he.
It'd be a good idea. So stick around, get in touch with him.
Yes, sir.
All right, 659-426, State versus Anthony Gloria is in jail. Attorney Jerry Valdez Jr.
Morning, Judge. How are you?
I am well. How are you?
Fine, Judge. I guess I need to confer with one of the ADAs and then Mr. Gloria.
All right. State, are you all ready on Mr. Gloria for trial?
Your Honor, can we confer first, please?
I'm sorry?
May we confer before announcing?
Yes, you may. I've got you listed conferring.
Judge, and he's an inmate. I didn't order him since he's number 22 for the trial.
Right. I understand. Gail, I'm sure the people know that. I hope 660041, State versus Anthony Garza, attorney Andres Campion. Anthony Garza.
Judge, I have Mr. Campion in the breakout room, number 7.
All right. How about his client, Anthony Garza?
Judge, he's in the courtroom. He's the one that was with the other attorney.
Very good.
Judge,
All
we
right.
may need to clarify. It looks like we've got 2 different Anthony Garzas on the docket.
I'm sorry?
It looks like we have 2 different individuals on the docket by the name of Anthony Garza. So I think we need to figure out which one's here.
Okay. Good idea.
What's the offer?
Thelma,
Yes, sir.
can you find out which Anthony Garza we're dealing with?
Trespassing.
He's right here in the courtroom. I'm gonna bring him up.
No,
Right, but we've got two different Anthony Garzas on the docket.
Oh, two.
Yeah, there's two different.
Okay, who are you, Anthony? What?
Your Honor,
Yes,
but it sounds like he's the one on page 3 with 2 cases. Catherine Valenzuela is his attorney.
Your attorney?
They have him only,
Valenzuela, Captain
he
Valenzuela.
said Valenzuela's not his attorney.
Andrew?
Andrew, his attorney.
okay.
Because he's
We have
Anthony
one.
Rodriguez.
I have my city number, 89095.
That's the one. He's the one with the camping.
Are they both in the courtroom?
Oh, only one. Anthony Rodriguez. Garza is in the courtroom.
All right, that's Andres Campion's client, Judge,
Is where?
in the courtroom.
Okay,
So
And-
Thelma said that he was in the courtroom on Catherine Valenzuela's client.
No,
Page
no, Patty.
3.
Patty, you
Yes,
have-
ma'am, that's
you
that's
have
what
two
you said.
Anthony Garzas on the docket. One is Anthony Rodriguez Garza, and the other one is just Anthony Rodriguez.
are
One
they
is on
both,
page,
are they both in the courtroom?
no, sir, only Anthony Rodriguez Garza is in the courtroom. The
Okay,
one on
so
page
Valenzuela's Anthony Garza is not present.
Yeah.
They're trying to figure, have a seat.
Anthony Rodriguez, Catherine Valenzuela's client.
No,
Yes, that's what it shows in the docket.
But no, they're saying Valenzuela's client, not Valenzuela's client. It's Campion's client.
Yeah.
Okay, Anthony Garza, Catherine Valenzuela's client, you're not, I'm marking absent. Kathy,
she's in the breakout room waiting to confer, Judge.
all right. 660-890, State versus Maria Fernandez, attorney. Mary
Mary
Pitache.
Judge, I'm here in the courtroom, Judge,
Hi, Mary.
and I'm a little upset because the candy is only cough drops. I was hoping for some different candy, Judge.
Okay,
I haven't been able to contact my client or get a hold of her after diligent efforts. I'm hoping that she's here on Zoom today, though.
well, I'm listing her as a failure to appear. We don't get her in somewhere somehow within a week, I'm gonna issue a warrant.
Understood, Judge.
You got anything else, Mary?
No, Judge, that was the only one I had today.
All right, well, you can go seek out whatever candy you need. 664265, State versus Gabriel Tejeda, attorney. Bertram Wood III.
Excuse me, Judge, I'm present. I've not had luck with Mr. Tejeda. However, I would like to meet with the DA and discuss the case if I could.
I'll mark you down to confer. And meantime, Gabriel Tejeda will be marked as absent. 664487, State versus Jerry Settles, attorney. Andrew Freilich.
Judge, we're here on that one and our announcement is ready.
He didn't say anything.
State,
State's ready, Your Honor.
all right. All right, stick around, Andrew.
Yes, sir.
664534, State versus Quinn Brown, attorney. Elizabeth Settle.
She already
Quinn
asked to
Brown.
confer on that one, Judge.
You already-
I'm present, Your Honor.
That's already been checked off. Thank you. 664637, State versus Lydia Martinez, attorney. Christopher Castro.
I'm present, Judge. Ms. Martinez is logged in as well. At this time, I'm requesting to be placed in line to confer.
Where's Ms. Martinez at?
I'm right here, sir.
There you are. Okay.
Judge, and if Ms. Martinez can be.
What?
Yes, ma'am. Ms. Martinez, you're excused at this
Yeah.
time while your attorney does some work conferring for you. You want to confer, is that correct?
Yes, Judge.
All right.
Thank you.
So noted. You're welcome.
Excuse me, Judge.
Yes.
This is David Gonzalez. I'm wondering if I'm excused already. My attorney never came back to the breakout room and let me know anything. I don't know if he's still on or.
Yeah, Judge, I'm right here.
Oh, okay. I wasn't sure if I should
Yeah, David,
leave or not.
it's all right. The Judge is going through his docket. He'll let us know.
Okay.
664656 State versus Johnny Craig, attorney, Lisa Voigt.
I have Mr. Craig in the courtroom, Judge.
Mr. Craig, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Have you heard from Ms. Voigt?
Well, she knew I have court today because I came on Monday thinking I had court Monday. We have court on Friday. So
Hey,
she should know.
Stick around and we'll see if she shows up, but now we'll try and track her down.
Okay.
Let's see. 665995 State versus Jesse Twilly, attorney, John Kuntz the fourth.
Hey, good morning, Judge. How are you?
I'm well. How are you?
Judge, I believe my client is logged in. Hopefully, is he there?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay.
Great.
Judge, Ms. Haas
State,
had an
State,
offer.
Mr. Twilly, are you ready? State on Mr. Twilly, are you ready?
Yes, Your Honor, state's ready, but I believe Mr. Kuntz was trying to make an announcement.
Mr. Kuntz.
Judge, Ms. Haas was kind enough to make us an offer that my client is considering at this time. If we could have a short reset just to determine whether or not we're going to actually enter into that plea, I would appreciate it.
All right, Mr. Kuntz. Patty, how much? 2 weeks enough?
December 3rd, Judge.
Perfect.
3rd of December.
Great, thank you. And Mr. Twilly, I'll be in contact with you in the next couple of days, okay?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. May we
Okay,
be
guys.
excused?
You are excused. Stay safe.
Have a good weekend. Thank you.
Thank you.
670898 State versus Stephanie Zappella. We will have to give you a new. Hello. Stephanie Zappella. Marked absent. 671268 State versus Malkeet. This is Singh. Malkeet Singh. Malkeet Singh is absent. That completes the docket for this morning, finally. Damn, an hour and 10 minutes to call the docket.
Judge, this is Robert Mauer. I sent you an email. I'm back from the 186. I have a case on the trial docket I need to announce on.
Which case was yours, Robert? Oh, here.
Terrence Watson, 610286. And my client has decided to accept the plea that was offered by the state. I'd like to see if we can move it maybe to next Friday's docket for a plea. I already have a case with you set that day as well.
Have you got papers done or have you?
Not yet, Judge. We just decided to accept it. I'm going to send the prosecutor my client's email.
I'll need it too, Mr. Mauer.
Did we
Okay.
send a?
All right, you also have another one, Bob.
Yes, Judge, MTR and Jeffrey Contreras. And that is, I've talked to probation. They want to terminate him unsent if he gets probation on his new case. If you could set me the same day, I think I should be able to resolve all my cases and clear out a bunch of cases from your court.
All right, reset. What is the date, Patty?
November 19th, Judge.
A week from today. Okay.
All right, and I'll
You
send
got
those
it, Robert?
emails right now.
I think that's it, isn't it, Robert?
Yes, sir, it is.
All right. Have a good weekend.
Thank you, Judge. You too.
Excuse me, Judge, I'm back from the 186 also on Thomas Arispe.
I'm back from the 186. Who's I am?
Thomas Arispe, case number 65594.
Mr. Rivera.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Case number 655, what?
949.
655.
949, yes, sir. Thomas Arispe III.
Okay. I don't find him, Betty. What's,
Page 8, Judge.
yeah, I know.
Page 8, case number is 655-949. The second one on page 8.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
All right, so what do you have on Arispe?
Yes, sir. Judge, on this case, the complainant has apparently trying to reach out to us, and I just need some time to bring her in. So if I could have a reset to bring her in and talk to her, and then we can work from there, Judge.
Reset it, Patty.
December 3rd, Judge?
December 3rd.
Yes, sir. May we be excused? May the client and I be excused at this time, Judge?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Judge. Good seeing you. Have a great weekend. Stay
You
safe.
too. Take care. Stay safe.
You too.
Good morning, Judge. This is Tony Jimenez on Angel Martinez.
Yes, sir. Case number
657141.
57141. Yes, sir.
And 660993.
And 660 on the same person.
Yes, Judge.
All right.
Judge, I believe the state is going to dismiss 660993 as the complainant is now deceased. And we provided
That makes it a little bit difficult to prove your case.
a bit. And I was in contact with the state on September 30th, and they wanted to speak to the felony prosecutors. So I'm just awaiting some response from the state on that case. The other issue, Judge, is my client has 3 felonies associated with the 7141 case. So we cannot resolve that at this time.
All right. Let's give you a 90-day reset. Get this, let the dust settle.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Anything else, Mr. Jimenez?
Nothing, Your Honor.
All right, then you and your client are excused. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Welcome. Anybody else need to report?
Yes, Your Honor. Could I approach Abogado Cornelius Cox?
Cornelius Cox. By
Yes.
God, number 1 on the docket and the last one to report. I have not heard from your client, Cornelius. Ms. Flanagan has not appeared.
Well, I'll make due diligence and try to locate a judge.
I would appreciate it.
Okay. Okay. And do I check back with the court when I find a judge?
I suggest that since you're number 1 for trial. State, are you ready on Lisa Flanagan? State, are you ready on Lisa Flanagan? 558261.
Judge, she's conferring already.
Well, then we don't.
Want me to bring her back?
Yes. I need to find out. Cornelius, are you ready for trial on this one?